Hello guys, Softoni here, and today I'll show you how to design a modern and dynamic text animation in After Effects. It's easy to make and looks great in any project. So hit the like and subscribe button and let's jump right in. Alright guys, here we are in After Effects, and as always, let's first create new composition. Hit here or on this little icon, and this is gonna be text animation. Of course, you can type whatever you want here. This is gonna be full HD, 30 FPS, 6 seconds long. Hit OK. Now let's create background. Go right click to create new solid layer, and I'll just type BG for background. Hit OK. Go inside the effects and presets and type fill effect. Drag and drop and change to whatever color you want. I'll do pure black color, hit OK, and now it's time to create our text. Hit here on this little icon or hit Ctrl+T on your keyboard. I will hit Ctrl+T, and I'm using this Montserrat black font, 200 for the text size, and I will just type random text. Awesome, of course you can type whatever you want. Now let's also click on our text, go here inside the align panel, center it. If you can't find align, just go window and you will find align here. Okay, and for the first effect, let's go here inside effects and presets, and I will find median effect, this one inside the noise and grain category. Just drag and drop onto our text and set up our playhead on 0 seconds, and let's animate radius. Set up the first keyframe and let's go to the highest number, 255, and now I will go to around 2 seconds or so and type here 0, and now when we hit 0 here inside this text animation composition, this is gonna be our text reveal. Now let's go back here inside the effects and presets, and I will add brush strokes effect, drag and drop onto our text, and basically here we can play around with a bunch of different options, and I will do for this paint surface, instead of this first option, select the second one, paint on transparent. And let's also do even more adjustments. For the brush size, I will leave it to 2. For the stroke length, let's go to 0. For the density, let's also go to 0. And for the randomness, I will type 2. Now let's go to 0 seconds again and set up the first keyframe for the stroke length. And now let's go also to 2 seconds and I will type here 1. And now when we hit 0, as you can see, we will have this cool looking animation, and this text looks really awesome. You can of course play around with a bunch of different options, for example brush size, it's up to you. I'll hit Ctrl+Z, or you can do some extreme stuffs here, hit U to show both of the keyframes, and here for the stroke length, instead of 1 you can play around with different numbers, for example 40, when you hit 0 you will have this type of look. I'll hit Ctrl+Z once again, now we have something like this. And if this animation is too fast for you, go back here inside the effects and presets and type here Posterize time effect, drag and drop, and instead of 24 frames per second, I will do 8, and our animation will be 3 times slower. Let's hit 0 to see the preview, and this is gonna be our animation. You can of course type here higher or lower number, it's up to you. And also for the final step, what you can do is to add maybe glow effect. Go back here, find here glow effect, drag and drop, and basically this is gonna be our cool looking effect. You can also play around here with the threshold, radius, and glow intensity, and everything else. And now as you can see guys, we have created this cool looking text in just few simple steps. Alright people, if you like this tutorial, please hit that like button, and also if you found this useful, you can use this text in your own projects, in your own videos, and also take a look at my channel for more great tutorials. You can also drop me a comment down below in the comment section, and until next time, stay creative and bye bye.